Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable automatic app updates on Android. So for this, you can firstly open the App Store. So you will have to just go back on the home. You will have to just go to the top right corner of profile icon, and here is the manage app devices. So you will have to just click it, and here you can see the network preferences. So you will just click to second number network preferences, and here is auto update apps. So you will click to auto update apps. So here you can see I will already set it on update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you don't want to update all, you will just click to don't auto update app. So if you want to update all, so you can just turn it on number one. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.